Codio Annotations offers a set of teaching and learning features within a free web-based IDE that lets you turn any code project into full-blown, rich and interactive tutorials for any programming language and aimed at all skill levels. Let's start with something simple. You can provide rich overviews by editing the readme.md file. When someone opens the project, it's the first thing they usually see. It's really easy to edit to, as it uses Markdown. You can keep things really simple, or you can build linked pages of content. Now let's get a tour of the code. I can do this by pressing the button at the top, or it can be started as a URL. The tour lets the author guide the user around the code, explaining as you go. You can insert videos, images, and other rich content. Here you can see that the student is being shown the application running so that he gets a clear picture of the objective of this code. And then I can go from step to step, reading the content and examining the code it relates to. If, like this, the window's obscuring the code you want to look at, you can simply collapse and expand it again. But often I just want to explore the project at my leisure and dig and poke around a bit. So wherever I see a blue information icon, I can just click on it and up pops the annotation window. I've just been clicking on information icons within a source file, but if I want, I can also explore the folder structure. Setting all this up in your code is really easy and can be done using any IDE, not just the Codio IDE. You can import projects from Git and Mercurial repos and zip files. Let's see how we set the annotations up. Here we can see a Codio token inserted within a comment, just above the code snippet it relates to. Whatever programming language I'm using, the comment approach is exactly the same. Next, I place a closing token just below the code snippet. Now all I need to do is to create my content. Shift-Alt-A will automatically create a matching Codio token in the annotations.codio file. If there was one there already, it jumps right to it. The content's written in standard Markdown, so it's very easy to edit. Your completed tutorials can be easily embedded into your own web pages if you like, a bit like this, so you can keep your users where you want them. What we've done so far is just round one, and we've got a roadmap full of exciting new features. If you think Codio Annotations can help in changing the way that coding is taught in schools, then please visit the education page at codio.com and support our campaign.